Hey there, it's Cody from Evolution AV back with another edition of Tech Tuesday. Today we're looking at the Barco Clickshare system. Barco is a partner and a preferred vendor of Evolution AV. Let's take a look. The sign of a perfect AV solution is simplicity. It doesn't get much more user-friendly than literally one button. The Clickshare system, simply put, is a wireless presentation and conferencing technology that creates a team meeting at the click of a button. Doesn't matter if you're working in Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, or any other software. With the touch of a button, Barco Clickshare allows their users to cast their device's screen to one or all of the displays in the room. The way it works is we, the AV install team, integrate the receiver into the Clickshare setup into your room, linking it with all of the displays. The button is wirelessly paired with the receiver, and this allows the user to get up, walk around with their phone, laptop, tablet, or any other device while still casting their screen. This makes the Clickshare perfect for boardrooms, presentation spaces, and any other room that relies on BYOD, bring your own device presentations. Perhaps one of my favorite parts of the Clickshare is that it not only functions extremely easy, but it just looks cool as well. AV technology doesn't need to always be racks and ugly boxes, and companies like Barco are definitely keeping sleek and modern designs in mind. Thanks for checking in for another Tech Tuesday. If there's anything you want to see me blab on about in future videos, go ahead and throw that in the comments below. If you want to learn more, head over to our website at evolutionav.ca.